Mighty Networks Space or Collection. Here is a comprehensive explanation.
Here's a quick explanation of spaces versus collection in Mighty Networks. So, in spaces, they are like mini communities or rooms inside your main network. Each space focuses on a specific topic, theme, or interest. For example, is that a marketing tip, which space inside the business network, a photography space inside the broader art community. Next is that we have collection in Mighty Networks. When it comes to collection, it is a way to group related content together within your network or within a space. So for example, is a beginner tutorial or a course material. So in summary is that spaces and community hubs for conversation is around specific topic. Then collection is curated content libraries or courses inside the networks or spaces. Both is very helpful to Mighty Networks, by the way.